This is the SS Emilio. Nearby are portions of the hull of the General Petroleum Corporation tanker SS Emilio, which on December 20th, 1941 became the first casualty of the Imperial Japanese Navy submarine force action on California Pacific coast. The ship was attacked some 200 miles north of San Francisco, and 5 crewmen were killed, abandoned. The vessel drifted north and broke up on the rocks off Crescent City. The bow drifted into the harbor, where it lay near the marker until salvaged in 1950. So when you wonder about Nagasaki and Hiroshima and why we did what we did, Japan conquered all the countries of Southeast Asia, and the Nazis, their axis of evil, conquered every country in Europe, and they killed, what, 20 million Russians, and the Japanese slaughtered all the people in China. The book, The Rape of Nanjing, and documents that, and all their war crimes in every country across Asia with their comfort workers, the kidnapped Korean and Filipino women to follow their military to use for sex slaves, and all the other beheadings with their samurai sword contests, and this horrible war crimes, chemical experiments, medical experiments that they were never convicted of. So you can see on the internet Japanese war crimes, well documented. And then so here they actually came across the ocean, not only hit Pearl Harbor, but hit a little ship in Crescent City, an oil ship during wartime there, which oil is important, and attacked Santa Barbara oil derricks north of Santa Barbara, but they missed. So they actually attacked America on the mainland. Arigato, konnichiwa, sayonara, banzai.